Thank you for tuning into my channel. This is Bonnie B of the DMV. Enjoy the stuffed cabbage and enjoy the stuffed onion. Okay, we left off with the sumac and we're going to put a little cinnamon. The stuffed onion is made with ground chicken breasts, where the stuffed cabbage is made with ground beef. Enjoy, everyone. Enjoy. For the full recipe, go to YouTube. I'm going to turn the fire off under them. I just want to make sure they got brown all over. Alright guys, here we go. Here we go. I heard you, Colton. I heard you. Lord have mercy. Oh, yes indeed. Let's do the onion. Aunt Bonnie done got you a stuffed onion, Colton.